Hello and welcome to this video, where we will be discussing how to assess the quality of parenting. Whether you are a child, a teenager, or an adult, it is important to understand the role that your parents played in your life and to determine if they were good parents or not. 1. Reflect on your childhood experiences. The first step in determining the quality of parenting you received is to reflect on your childhood experiences. Think about the relationships you had with your parents, any fond memories you have, and any negative experiences you went through. 2. Observe their behavior towards you and others. Another way to assess the quality of parenting is to observe your parents' behavior towards you and others. Were they supportive and kind, or were they critical and dismissive? 3. Examine the values they taught you. Your parents play a significant role in shaping your values and beliefs, so it's important to examine what values they taught you and whether or not they align with your own values today. 4. Consider the relationship you have with them now. The relationship you have with your parents today can also be an indicator of the quality of parenting you received. Do you have a close relationship with them? Or is it strained and distant? Seek outside perspectives from friends, family members, or therapists can be helpful in getting a more well-rounded understanding of your parents' parenting skills. In conclusion, assessing the quality of parenting can be a complex and emotional process, but it is important in helping us understand our past and how it has shaped us into who we are today. Remember that everyone's experiences are unique, and what may have been good parenting for one person may not be the same for another. Thank you for watching. See you soon.